Good morning guys, and in front of me is Honor Magic V5, and let me show you how to use secret codes on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer and roll keypad, and this is the panel in which we will be entering the codes. The first one, shortest one and also most useful is *#06#. And here we've got device information with both IMEI numbers included, also with serial number. So whenever you need any kind of your unique number, just enter this code. To exit, just tap on OK. The second code that I would like to show you is *##, *225, *##. And here you've got the calendar info, so in this panel you will be able to notice all upcoming events. Then another code is *##, *4636, *##. Okay, so in that case it is not working. Maybe on your device it would work. You will be able to test your device a bit under this code. And another one is *##, *426, *##. And here we've got FCM diagnostic panel. Now you can check events and status, so smoothly check it all. By tapping on more icon you can enroll advanced view, and here you've got more details regarding your device. So this is it, this is how you can enter and use secret codes. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.